Hi children. Hi. How are you all? How are you all? I hope you all are very well there. Am I right? Am I right? Do you know about me? Do you know about me? As you all are know about me. Am I right? Once again, I introduce myself. Okay? This is Banu. I teach Hindi subject. I am your Hindi teacher. Okay? What are you learned in your last class? What are you learned in last class? Do you remember? Do you remember? What are you learned? You all are learned about 3-letter words in last class. Okay? Okay? Okay, today I will teach about the 4-letter words. Okay? I will teach about the 4-letter words. Before today I start the class, I ask some questions on last class. Do you understand? Do you understand? I ask some questions on last class. I ask some questions on 3-letter words. Okay, 3-letter words. Are you ready? Did you got properly? Okay. Close your books. Don't open and don't cheat me. Are you cheaters? Are you cheaters? No. That's why you all are don't cheat me and don't open your books. Okay. May I start? May I start? Okay. Easy words. Those all words are easy words only. Your first word is kalam. Kalam means in English. Kalam means pen. Kamal means lotus. Okay. Next, batak. Batak means duck. Batak means duck. Next, matar means pea. Pea. These all words are maybe you all are learnt in 2nd class. Am I right? Okay. Next, magar means in English crocodile. Next, baras. Baras means rain. Okay, baras means rain. Next one is sadak. Sadak means road. Sadak means road. Next, salt means in Hindi. Salt means in Hindi, not English. In Hindi. Namak. News. News means in Hindi. News means in Hindi. Khabar. Next, city. City means in Hindi. Shahar. Okay, city means in Hindi. Shahar. Next, jump. Jump means in Hindi. Uchal. Okay, jump means in Hindi. Uchal. Next exercise is 4-letter words. This one is today I teach about. What is the lesson name? What is the 5th lesson name? बिना मात्रा के शब्द. पाठ 5. पाठ 5. बिना मात्रा के शब्द. बिना मात्रा के शब्द. Without symbol words. मात्रा means symbols. Symbol. मात्रा means symbols. बिना मात्रा के शब्द. पाठ 5. Okay, all are open your CWs. First of all, mention the date and day and write with neat handwriting. Write with neat handwriting. If you don't have neat handwriting, try to write with a neat handwriting. Okay? Improve your handwritings. What is the first word in 4-letter words? Shalgam. Shalgam. Shalgam means turnip. Do you know turnip? This one is like that onion. Okay, like that onion, turnip. Next one is batak. Sorry, not batak. Azgar. Not batak. Batak is 3-letter words. Next one is azgar. Azgar means what? Python. Python means in Telugu. Python means in Telugu. Konda chiluva. Okay na? Konda chiluva. Bartan. Bartan. Bartan means vessels. In Telugu గిన్నెలు అంటారు కదా, గిన్నెలు లేదా పాత్రలు, vessels. Next one is thermos. Thermos means flask. Do you know flask? Flask is used for tea or milk. Next one is bargad. Bargad. Bargad means banyan tree. Bargad means banyan tree. Mari chettu. Adarak. You all are learned those words in 2nd class also. In 2nd class also. Adarak. Adarak. Ginger. Ginger means allam. In Telugu, allam. Kasarat. Kasarat. Exercise. Kasarat means exercise, body exercise. Okay, body exercise. Next one is tum tum. Next one is tum tum. Tum tum means horse cab. Horse cab. Okay. Next one is khatmal. Khatmal. Khatmal means bed bug. Bed bug. This is the name of one insect. Okay. Next is daftar. Next one is daftar. Daftar means office. Daftar means office. Okay. Do you understand? Those all words are prepared with 4 letters. Okay, prepared with 4 letters only and without symbols. If any symbol is there in all words, there is no symbol. Okay, there is no symbol in all letters. That's why these all words are called 4-letter words without symbol. बिना मात्रा के 4 अक्षर वाले शब्द. Okay, one time look at the board. All of you stop writing. Look at the board and say with me. Okay, say with me and listen carefully. बिना मात्रा के शब्द, बिना मात्रा के शब्द, बिना मीन्स विदाउट, ओके, विदाउट, मात्रा मीन्स सिंबल, शब्द मीन्स वर्ड, ओके, विदाउट सिंबल वर्ड्स, ओके. What is the first word? Shalgam. What is the first word? Shalgam. Shalgam means turnip. Shalgam means turnip. Next, Azgar. How many letters are there? 4. Se plus la plus ga plus ma. Okay. Shalgam. Shalgam means turnip. Next one is Azgar. What is the next one? Azgar. A plus ja plus ga plus ra. Azgar means python. Okay. Azgar means python. Next one is Bartan. Next one is Bartan. Ba plus ra plus ta plus na. Bartan. Bartan means vessels. Next, thermos. Tha plus ra plus ma plus sa. Thermos. In this word, how many letters are there? 4 letters. Okay, flask. Next, bargad. Bargad means banyan tree. Ba plus ra plus ga plus da. Okay, bargad. Bargad means banyan tree. Next one is adarak. A plus da plus ra plus ka. How many letters are there? 4. Adrak means ginger. Okay, adrak means ginger. Next one is kasarat. Kasrat means exercise, body exercise. Okay. Ka plus sa plus ra plus ta. Okay, kasrat. Kasrat means exercise. Tum tum. Tum tum means horse cab or horse cart. Anyone, no problem. Gurrapu bandi. Okay. బులక ఎలాగో హార్స్ కట్స్ కూడా ఉండేవి, ఇప్పుడైతే కనిపించట్లేదు. టమ్ టమ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఖట్మల్. ఖట్మల్ మీన్స్ బెడ్ బగ్. ఓకే, ఖట్మల్ మీన్స్ బెడ్ బగ్. ఖా ప్లస్ టా ప్లస్ మా ప్లస్ లా. హౌ మెనీ లెటర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? 4. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ దఫ్తర్. దా ప్లస్ పా ప్లస్ తా ప్లస్ రా. దఫ్తర్. ఓకే, ఆఫీస్. హియర్ ఆల్సో 4 letters. Okay, so these all words are called 4-letter words. 4-letter words. Okay, all are, say with me again. बिना मात्रा के शब्द. ओके, बिना मात्रा के शब्द. దీనికి యాక్చువల్గా హెడ్డింగ్ పెట్టాలి, నేను హెడ్డింగ్ పెట్టడం మర్చిపోయాను. 4 अक्षरों से बने शब्द. ఓకేనా, हेडिंग 4 अक्षरों से बने शब्द. 4 मीन्स 4 अक्षरों से बने शब्द. बने शब्द. ओके, say with me. शलगम, टर्निप, अजगर, पाइथन, बर्तन, वेसल्स, थर्मस, फ्लास्क, बरगद, बनियन ट्री, अदरक, जिंजर, कसरत, एक्सरसाइज, टमटम, हॉर्स कैप, खटमल, बेडबग, दफ्तर, ऑफिस. Okay, all are open your diaries and mention the Hindi subject. Read and write. Four-letter words in page number 11. In page number 11. One time only. One time only. Write with neat handwriting. HW and CW also. One time listen carefully. If you all are got those meanings properly, I mean without mistakes, okay, without mistakes, then you all are write without seeing on your slates or in your rough books. Anyone, no problem. But without seeing is one time only. One time without seeing is very, very important in my class. Why without seeing is very, very important? What are the advantages of without seeing? What are the advantages of without seeing any subject? Without seeing, one time without seeing is equal to 100 times reading. That is the one advantage. And another one is without seeing is cover the spelling mistakes also. Cover the spelling mistakes also. Okay, remember this. Okay, do you understand? Do you understand my class? I hope you all understand my class. Okay, my class is over. We will meet in next class. Stay home and stay safe. घर पर रहिए और सुरक्षित रहिए.